Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. You guys don't be mad at me. I haven't done a recap in a couple days now. I don't even know when my last recap was. But that is why I decided to do today's recap anyways. Just to give you guys a heads up of where I am, how my month is going, or just overall in general. So obviously you guys on YouTube, it's harder to keep track of because there's no way for me to contact you guys. But obviously you guys know I haven't been showing up for live streams. And that is because I just decided to take a break. So take a break from live streaming, at least for sure this week. So I won't stream for the rest of this week. But I don't know when I will be back for sure. I'm kind of just enjoying right now and taking some personal time to kind of just trade by myself and see if I can, for one, push it and stuff. So that's where I'm at right now. There's a couple of reasons why I decided to do it. Obviously, I've done it for so long. I started last year in March, so it's been year and a month that I started live streaming completely free. I've never asked for anything, and I streamed with you guys watching me every single day, every single trade, and so just kind of wanted a little bit of a break, and decided for it to be right now. So just a little break too, maybe focus on my trading. I've been super consistent in this year, so maybe seeing if I can scale up a little bit. See if I can keep pushing the profits. Here's my P&L for this week, I guess, if you guys are interested. So I'm up 24 today, 700 yesterday, and then 1300 on Monday. I think every single day this month has been green, over 1300 bucks. So my average has consistently been getting bigger, except for this one, and then one of these 2 days over here were also a $700 day. I don't remember the last time I was streaming, so also I did end up losing the streak. So my streak was from February 27th all the way up to April 12th. I think that was 31 days or something like that. And finally had a red day on the 13th of April. So I don't remember if I made a recap that day or before that or after that. But here it is. I lost a streak, but I'm right back on to another 4-day green streak here and decent profits so far. Before I get into the recap, guys, I do want to say that I finally got a deal with Tradervue. So what you guys are looking at right here is Tradervue, and you guys can now get 25% off through my affiliate link. So if you guys are not using Tradervue right now, I will post a link down below that you guys can click on and then just sign up through that. You have to sign up for the gold yearly plan, and you guys get 25% off, which is just a quarter of it. That's awesome. That basically gives you 3 months free. And then obviously I get a little bit of a tiny commission off of that, but you guys can enjoy 25% off. That's a heck of a deal. And also, I myself upgraded to the gold plan because it also has commissions now, so I am able to filter through them and have commissions included. So I know that's a big plus. So I really enjoy it, and I think it's worth the money on top of every single thing. That, for example, if you wanted to filter that, then you guys can take a look at your detail, your largest gain, largest loss on the day. Kind of your trade percentage, average win, average losers, just all of these stuff, very important stuff that if you dig into your metrics, it will help you understand how you trade and stuff. So you guys definitely check it out down below. If you guys already have Tradervue and you want to upgrade to the gold yearly plan, or you already have the gold yearly plan, you guys can send them an email, and I'll post that down below, and just tell them the code and tell them you're a Juan Trades member. I'll include that all down below, and then you guys will also get the discount as well. So if you guys don't use it or already use it, you guys can enjoy that 25% off. So you guys check it out down below. So that's pretty much all the updates in my life right now. Going through a lot of stuff at home as well, so that's why I'm not streaming. And that's pretty much it. As far as today, I did say I made 1,500, and you guys know that when I track my Tradervue, I only import stuff that I traded on my main account. I accidentally didn't switch it this morning, and so I traded on my backup account and made 350 bucks, and I did not include that, so I switched the right account and then started again, and this is why I'm sitting at 1,500, and you see 1,500 here. Not technically, I made almost 1,900 today, but I am not including that in my Tradervue. So 1,500 for today. It's pretty tricky day to trade if you ask me. I think this thing early on, I noticed that it was just holding and holding and holding, and every time it bottomed, it looked like you wanted a flush and then just broke out, and then you looked like you wanted a flush and broke out, and then you finally got a flush and then just quick reversal, and then you finally got another flush and then just hold it and recovered. And I kind of noticed that early on, but I was not able to take advantage as much as I could. I was not able to take a lot of those low entries for that same reason, that all of these looked like they wanted to flush, that they wanted to flush, that they wanted to flush, 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 and so I wasn't able to nail the bottoms because I couldn't read it. But I was able to chase a little bit of the moves today, and early on I was pretty break even on the. Actually, I got myself red today first, about 1,000, and then I ended up climbing all the way back up. But these highlighted moves are the ones that kind of saved the day. So, you know, kind of, and they were all kind of similar kind of styles. So kind of Tesla holding, and then kind of goes for the flush, false breaks down, and then squeezed. And so it did it kind of there, and then it did it here. You see it holds it low, holds it low, holds it low, tries to push up here. There's like, oh, no buyers, fine, I'll flush. Flushes, holds, no continuation, and then squeezes. And same thing here, right? Holds, 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 holds. It's like try new high, nope. Flushes, holds, and then squeezes. And so I was able to realize that after this one, so I chased it there, I chased it through here, and then I chased it through there, and so I got all of those. And then finally it looked to me that we had kind of reached the back end. I got this flush here, and here's where I thought we had reached the back end. I did take a bigger loss because I entered in on another short a little too early, so I entered in around here and I ended up stopping out. But when this next spike happened, I was able to short it through here, add it down there, and so I caught this move here and I got this move here very nicely down. This was my last trade of the day. Actually, I took a tiny scalp just now because I saw it right when I was about to start streaming, and I made like 50 bucks maybe. But this move here, it was actually my last trade of the day, and I was in pretty nicely up here, got the whole move down, and I had, I think, 500 shares runners from like up here was my cost basis, and I left to stop at break even, and then I moved it down a little bit. Down here I was up like 1600 on it, total P&L for the day, but then this ended up coming back, stopped me out, and it was like 14 something, and then that tiny little scalp up here that I made like 50 bucks. So still a solid day. I'm happy with the consistency overall that I've had all year long. So it's pretty crazy to only have 5 red days all year. So 2, 4, 5 in almost 4 months. That's averaging a little bit over 1 red day a month for it being 4 times 5, 20 days. So hopefully I can keep this up. Hopefully you guys are still doing good. I hope you guys are still on the market, killing the market. Sorry. And I'll keep you guys updated when I will be back. I don't know when that will be. I don't know how I'm gonna come back, or like, as far as where streaming, how streaming, or charging, or anything like that. Not charging. I don't know anything. Right now, I'm just enjoying some alone time trading by myself, and hopefully, I'll be back for you guys pretty soon. Keep you guys updated. I'll try to still make recaps if I have time, if I feel like it for the day. But other than that, I've put in so much work for a year and a half streaming for you guys completely free, and never asked for anything back besides likes and comments on a YouTube video that I get, maybe 5 per video, and I know that there's at least 100, 150, 200 people watching me every day. So it's a lot of effort for me to sit here an extra hour a day and do all of this stuff. When I could just trade, make 1,500 bucks, and then get out. Anyways, you guys have a good rest of your day. You guys stay green and keep killing it.